when Beanie became the Beanie.
Beanie.
Naisip mo ba na parang medyo pinagsisihan mo na prioritize mo yung Sandugo over the girl group?
Siyempre naman. I mean, I'm young, so talagang I'll feel that way na masakit. Sila yung multo ko eh. Madam!
Ay!
I know you from the Star Hunt Academy training with Beanie and BGYO.
Yes.
You were actually part of that, along with Kauri.
Mhm.
And who's the other girl who left? From Jansan.
Marami pa.
Actually,
Jelay.
Jelay. Right,
Oh.
right. Mga ano na yan, nag-training din yan.
Mhm.
O siya was a trainee pa. From
And
PBB.
Angela Tungol.
Yes.
Angela
Oh,
Tungol was
Yana
there also.
Pamilar,
Yes,
Marami
yes.
po.
Yeah, so technically, kung napagtuloy mo to, you would have been part of Beanie.
Yes po. Yes.
And what happened?
What happened? No, I remember kasi I trained for maybe a good 4 months with them. Kasi before it was just a unknown parang audition. They did another set na auditions. Tas daming girls and daming boys. So we knew na ay grupo. Pero ang dami po talaga namin. Tas pakonti ng pakonti. I remember I had a teleserye during that time which was Sandugo 2019. And I was doing that at the same time. Hindi kinakaya yung katawan ko.
Mm.
So, I had to decide to prioritize the teleserye first. Tapos when I was ready to come back, hindi na pwede. Kasi nagko-Korean training na sila. Doon na po yung parang very serious training ng tanggalan for the final group. So, ayun.
But when they blew up last year, when Beanie became the Beanie, naisip mo ba na parang medyo pinagsisihan mo na prioritize mo yung Sandugo over the girl group?
Siyempre naman. I mean, I'm young, so talagang I'll feel that way na masakit. Sila yung multo ko eh. Madam!
Ay!
Sila ang multo ko, of course. Kasi love ko din naman sila. I formed great friendship with them before I left. So, nung hindi na po ako pwede, sometimes I would, kasi I had a place close to where they trained before, I would visit all the time.
Bawal yun ah.
Yeah.
Bawal bumisita basta ha.
No, but I would just visit lang before I
But I
go to
remember,
work.
like, you would even like go to the Christmas party and stuff like that. I
I would
remember.
visit and everything. And wala lang kasi love ko din po talaga sila. But of course, nang ibabaw po na masaya ako for them kasi tagal nila nagte-train. Ang tagal po nila naghihirap. So deserve po nila lahat ng love ngayon. Lalo na, well, we all know they're being bashed right now. Pero I feel like they deserve more love kasi and recognition for what they do. So, ayun, sila ang multo ko. And sometimes, napapaisip din ako na
You would have been Beanie Rain.
yeah, a lot of people say that, which is sweet. I take it as a compliment. Hindi naman something sad, you know. Pero, you know, when I left, parang hindi rin ako nag-stop mag-training. So, parang nagtitrain pa rin ako mag-isa, ganyan. Pero yun.
Who were
I'm
you
happy for them.
closest to before?
Gwen and Mika.
Oh, really?
Yeah, parang pareho nga kayo magsalita ni Mika eh.
Oo.
Close kami naman.
Talaga.
Pero we don't talk often na. Because she's really busy, I understand. Pero when we see each other, it's still the same, madam. Tas with Gwen naman, I love her talaga to bits. I love her,
Really?
yeah.
You were from the same PBB kasi ni Gwen, tama? Or
She
no?
was batch 3 and I was batch 1. Sila po same ni Sheena.
Yes.
So, dapat mas marami yung Beanie members.
Hindi ko sure eh.
Or ano.
Well.
Hindi naman. Wala
Hindi,
akong alam.
nagtanggalan din kasi talaga.
Tanggalan
Ah.
kasi talaga siya.
Kung hindi ka kumbaga hindi mo na-meet yung standard, kahit mas marami kayong trainees, kung hindi na-meet yung standard, lalo ng mga Koreans that time, elbow.
Babaw.
Tsaka naniniwala naman ako na I have a different path kaya
For
di rin ako
sure.
natuloy doon. So it's okay.
That's true, for sure. So ngayon, you're based in the Philippines na, not Canada
Yes.
anymore.
Ever since I left, I've never been back. At least a visit hindi rin po. So
Okay. But you were born and raised there?
I was born here for 2 years. Born for 2 years. And then 2 years old, tas nag-immigrate ako sa Canada.
And then you were there for like
For the whole-
yeah,
for my whole
until
life.
14 years old ka nang pumunta ka sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas. Ikaw, tagasan ka. Ba't makatawa ka?
Oh, born for 2 years?
Go.
Sorry. Ano yan?
Ikaw, tagasan ka. Shoot
Ah,
ka, Canada.
Cavite. Dito lang talaga, Philippines. Yeah, Cavite.
Saan sa Cavite?
Ako
Shout out sa mga
Yeah, shout out
Etibac.
mga Cavite
Yes,
nyo. Yes,
yes,
Etibac.
mga
Ako, Kawit. Magkalapit lang kami.
Same lang kami. Bakaw ako. Gentry.
Gentry, Bakaw.
Uy, may bahay ako dyan.
Ooh.
Sa Lancaster.
Oh!
lapit ko lang po
Ang
sa
lapit
inyo.
namin.
No. napanalunan ko kasi yun, nanalo ako ng reality
Slay.
show. Tapos
Oh,
hindi ko na siya
nice.
hindi ko na siya nabalikan. Dahil parang last year na ata yung huling balik ko. Alam mo na, yung tipong lang nakatira. Diyan lang siya. Pinapamahal ko lang. Kasi before, it was cheap there, right?
Magmamahal na yun. Super.
Mahal na ngayon.
May ano na dun ngayon. May Ayala.
Kasi ang daming mga malls, di ba?
Yes,
Yung mga
yes, yes.
paandar, dati parang mga talahiban, parang batuhan ng mga namatay na sinal.
Lander, eh. No?
Ngayon talaga magmamahal na. Magmamahal na
Hindi,
talaga.
promise. So sinasabi nila, ba't hindi mo binibenta yung bahay mo doon? Well.
Well,
Hindi ko yan ibebenta. So mga taga-Etivac pala kayo.
yes, mga matatapang.
Yeah.
Oo, totoo. And how's your childhood? How were you growing up?
Well, I grew up in Cavite talaga. So, yun na yung pinaka-province ko. And wala, yun lang. Normal naman yung childhood ko. Like usual na lumaki na naglalaro sa kalye, ganun. And yeah, yun lang. Wala naman anything special about my childhood.
Your parents? What did your parents do?
My parents, we're contractors
Ng
ng
DPWH?
Hindi.
Hindi.
The engineer.
Okay.
My dad's a mechanical engineer and they run a business yung company namin na
So
naggagawa
rich
ng
kid
mga...
ka, rich kid ka.
Hindi naman.
Eh,
Hindi naman.
konyo eh.
Hindi ako rich
Pagka-konyo
kid.
yung ano eh.
Hindi ako rich kid.
Ataking konyo ka eh.
Hindi naman. Comfortable. Pero
Di ba
ano.
comfortable? Hindi yun comfortable. Comfortable.
Wow, talaga ba? Talaga ba? But yeah, ayun. Yeah, kami yung naggagawa ng mga tangke-tangke for like the mga petrols and stuff.
Oh. You have siblings?
Yeah, 2 siblings. Younger, 20 years old, tsaka 14.
Hindi sila, ayaw nila mag-showbiz.
I don't know if yung sister ko gusto niya, pero hindi naman, parang hindi naman sila interested. Pero baka sister ko, yung 14 years old, yung youngest, baka gusto niya.
Baka gusto niya maging trainee ulit. Trainee din sa mga...
Feeling ko, baka gusto niya, kasi di ba nauso yung sa Cat's Eye, yung mga ganun. Di ba meron tayong Filipina from Cat's Eye. Parang siguro na-inspire siya doon.
Oo
Kaya
nga.
gusto niya mag-join.
Tama. And I think, baka naman sila Direk Loren gumawa din na mas mga bago pa na mga grupo, diba?
Yeah. Not
Salihin mo doon yung
impossible.
kapatid mo.
Sabihin ko. Sabihin ko.
Oo. Pero alala ko sa Bini kasi talaga, malalaki kayong lahat eh. No? Ang tatangkad nyo lahat, mga pa-beauty queen kayong
Yes,
lahat.
everything's measured, madam. Everything sa limbs, sa everything talaga.
What's your height?
5, 6, or 7? I'm not sure.
Are you taller than Aya?
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
Or even
You're
I met
taller
her
than her.
I met her na po.
You're taller than her, Aya?
Probably.
Oh, okay.
Probably.
Yeah,
I think
I
the
met
tallest
her
sa
eh.
kanila si Aya tsaka si Stacy eh. Yung mga beauty queen. Yung
Si Aya ba
mga...
nagbo-beauty queen?
Oo.
Yeah,
Miss
so
Silka
Miss
yan.
Silka.
Tapos si Stacy, alam ko ano yan eh, Miss Teen Philippines. Tapos dapat magko-compete na siya sa States to represent the country but she chose to be a trainee.
Okay.
Ako hindi ko talaga kahit news, hindi ko na-experience.
Kahit Muse.
Kahit news. Okay lang, class president naman ako.
Slay. Bakit?
Okay lang. Okay lang. Alright, so ngayon, yun na, napasok na kayo sa showbiz.
Okay.
But wait, ikaw, you're studying, di ba, right now?
Yeah.
Film.
Yes, in Benit.
Bakit mo naisipang mag-film?
Actually, plan ko talaga before is I needed a college degree and sabi ko kukunin ko yung kung saan ako passionate. So sabi ko film, pero ang plan ko talaga is mag-fly school. So plan ko talaga mag-pilot. Eh pag pilot you need a college degree kasi for you to get a job na sa mga airline. So kahit ano namang college degree. So sabi ko kunin ko yung gusto ko kunin. So sabi ko kunin ko film. Then after mag-film, flight school.
So hindi mo gusto maging film practitioner?
Kasi
Kasi ang pangarap mo maging piloto.
yeah, that was my initial plan talaga to be a pilot.
Mm.
Pero parang option din naman to be a director. Pero yun, parang as of now, mas type ko maging artist.
Totoo naman. Actually. Kahit ako rin naman, kung ganyang edad kayo, mabibigyan kayo ng chance na magtrabaho as an actor, as a celebrity, i-avail nyo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi pag matanda na kayo, pwede naman kayo alam mo yon, makahanap ng iba eh, ng pwede nyo gawin. Kunyari, okay, tapos na. Tapos na ang moment ko bilang maging celebrity. Next chapter. Ang nagiging problema kasi ng mga artista, nakakalimutan nila na trabaho lang yon. You know what I mean? Older artistas na parang, kunyari, tapos na yung moment nila. they forget that that was just a job. The same way na, for example, before nag-call center ako, ngayon nasa engineering ako, next time nasa healthcare ako, trabaho lang yun eh. Hindi naman ikaw yan.
Mhm.
So a lot of people in the industry, whether artista or mga director, ginagawa nilang personality yung trabaho nila. Which should not be. That's how they become crazy pag, hindi na ako sikat, hindi na ako nagte-trending.
Yes. Agree.
Yes.
Super agree.
Right?
Yes,
Right?
yes, yes.
So you will feel that when the time comes when you're like, oh, maybe this is it for me. It's okay.
Mhm.
Diba? Life will continue. The trees will continue to grow. The rivers will continue to flow. And you will continue to fly. Wow!
Quotable.
wow!
Ay, Madam Queen.
Okay, question. Alam ko, I'm sure yung mga tao, tawa-tawa kayo dun sa gilid. Alam ko yung mga tao nagtatanong, may love life ba kayo? Very showbiz. Showbiz siya. Yung mga tanong, may love life ba kayo?
As of now, wala. As of now, wala.
Wala, Miss
Wala,
King.
wala.
Promise.
Okay lang naman kung meron. Bawal ba? Bawal ba magka-love life kayo?
Pwede naman, pero wala.
Pwede naman wala.
Wala eh.
Pero
Wala.
nagkaroon na kayo ng mga relationships.
Yes,
Oh.
only one.
What
Yeah.
In my
happened?
whole life.
What happened?
It went downhill. Downhill nga yung word na pinili kanina, hindi yun sinabi.
Oo
Pero
nga.
it didn't work. Pero I feel like,
Downhill.
Uy,
Oh.
sobrang close nyo. No?
Yes.
Kailan kayo naging close? Sa show lang ba?
Dahil sa Love at First Spike. Before Love at First Spike, hindi man kami magkakilala talaga.
Yes.
Really?
I
Yeah.
remember sa audition.
Mailap pa kami sa auditions noon, may kakahiyaan pa kami.
Oh.
Pero,
Mm.
yeah, I feel like, dahil sa energy naming dalawa, mabilis din siya nag-open up sa akin. Kaya mabilis din ako nag-open up sa kanya. It was just natural lang naman.
Yeah. Tsaka parang at first kasi, yung first impression ko kasi, parang you're coming off as like strong. Parang...
I always get that wrong.
Eh, what's the
Hindi-
problem with
hindi naman,
women
parang-
being strong?
No.
You have a problem with that, Sean?
No, it's intimidating for me to approach her. Parang like that. It's not
I
like
hate
it's a
it.
problem.
I hate it. When guys say that, you're too intimidating, you come off too strong.
Right.
I don't fucking care, bitch.
Exactly.
Ano naman?
Nahiya lang ako sa kanya mag-approach na, you wanna throw lines, ganun. Siya pa nag-approach sa akin. Parang, syempre, I wanted to practice with her, ganun. So, pero parang nahiya kasi ako sa kanya talaga. Parang, iba yung aura niya na parang,
I was
iba
quiet
talaga
sa
aura mo
auditions.
eh.
I would put myself in a corner focus because I want this role so bad.
You wanted this role so
wanted
bad.
it so bad.
Eh, I feel like it was written for you. Wow.
Really? Oh,
I'll ask Kiwi.
That's what I told
Kiwi,
her.
Ivan, did you write it for Rain?
After the auditions.
And your character, I feel, was written for you.
Sobra. Galing.
Yeah. She approached me for the, para mag-throw ng lines. Then after nung audition, sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi pa kami close nito like hindi pa talaga, like no na to. Sabi ko sa kanya lang, parang Rain, feeling ko ikaw na.
Oo,
Feeling ko ikaw
sabi niya
na.
sa akin, feeling ko, I feel the fire in you. Sabi niya.
Sabi ko, I feel it. I
Tapos
feel
the
it
next
na.
audition day, he was there ulit. So I was like, oh.
So there were other girls who auditioned for the role?
Dami.
Dami. Kaya I was so serious kasi hindi naman kami palagi napipili. Tapos this is the
Oo.
only time na may audition. Pero at the back of our head, we were like, baka may napili naman na.
Yeah,
And for
kasi
show lang
usually it's
naman
like
yung
that. Parang
audition nila.
audition, pero parang may napili naman na talaga for firm. Ano like that?
Well, okay, just so you know, not for me. That's not how I roll
I love that.
as a director.
that, yeah.
But you know, there's
Gladly that
So
it was
parang,
like that too.
yun talaga yung nangyari. Sa first day ng audition, parang sabi na, parang sa head ko, ito na naman audition, baka
Yes.
meron naman na napili naman. Tapos parang pinag-audition lang para sa, I don't know, BTS, ganun. So parang sabi ko, okay, pero I gave it my best pa din.
Me
Tapos
too.
parang, second day nung callbacks na, yan na yung sabi ko, seryoso, kasi ngayon lang ako na-callback ulit ng ganito.
talaga?
Hindi
Yes.
talaga ako nakuha sa audition.